This is how you should watch film if you want to get better. Let's break down this offensive possession. We get into this horns action where we have 2 step-up screens, and we want to go off the 5-man so that he's the one who dives to the hole. Now, as soon as we come off, we make the 5-man help, which is exactly what we want because we've got 2 people guarding the ball. Now, we could have thrown the short roll because neither one of these tag defenders got all the way over to the midline, but you decided to skip it opposite, which is fine, and now we need to win this closeout. So this either needs to be a catch and shoot if you feel like you can rise up before he contests, or you need to attack the basket. And you do a great job of putting it on the deck and getting by your defender, which forces the 5 to step up and help, and now we've got 2 people guarding 1, so we need to get the ball right here to the big who is teeing up so he can get a dunk rather than trying to shoot this tough floater.